Ever wondered what are the cute ways to flirt with a woman in 2023? Well, buckle up because we are about to dive into a world of charm, wit, and tasteful humor. Welcome to a journey of 6 minutes that's going to equip you with the most endearing and effective flirting techniques of the year. First off, we'll start with the power of complimenting. A well-timed compliment can act as a potent tool in your flirting arsenal. But remember, it should be genuine and respectful. Praise her intelligence, her sense of humor, or her taste in music. Show her that you appreciate her for more than just her looks. Next, it's crucial to keep the conversation light and fun. Engage her in playful banter, crack a lighthearted joke, or share amusing anecdotes. A sense of humor is attractive, and it can keep the interaction enjoyable and relaxed. Thirdly, remember the magic of body language. A warm smile, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring her gestures subtly can communicate your interest without uttering a single word. But always respect her personal space and comfort. Fourth, be a good listener. Show genuine interest in her stories and opinions. Respond with thoughtful comments or questions. This not only makes her feel valued but also helps you understand her better. Step 5 involves being open and honest. Authenticity is attractive. Share your interests, aspirations, or even your fears. It shows you're human and relatable. Lastly, remember, timing is everything. Don't rush things. Flirting is a dance, not a race. It's about building a connection, not winning a competition. In conclusion, flirting in 2023 is about being respectful, genuine, and fun. It's about complimenting her, keeping the conversation light and enjoyable, using body language effectively, being a good listener, being open and honest, and understanding the importance of timing. Remember, every woman is unique. What works for one may not work for another, so always be mindful of her feelings and responses, and above all, enjoy the process. After all, flirting is supposed to be fun. Happy flirting, folks.